Yeah, morning to everybody. This is Grande Riviere River again. Grande Riviere, I tell you, she real pushing. The last time we do this video, the Grande Riviere, she was crossing the bridge and never yourself see waves. Watch that. Actually seeing waves coming down the river. I don't tell you the power that she pushing with. Right? We have that tree here. Kind of blocking. Right, but I tell you she pushing real heavy. And actually seeing waves coming down the river for the first time in my life. I never see waves actually. Watch it, only watch that. She from bank to bank and she pushing real heavy. Only take a look at that. What's up going on there? Bank to bank and she pushing real heavy. She making bubbles going down the road, you see? And you know what happened, the little disaster that we have down in the Grande Riviere River mouth with the buildings and then down there. So you know what? You just have to imagine what's going on down there. So I just give all that early morning view. Maybe I just have a little about 6 o'clock. Telling you she pushing real heavy. She making waves. You understand? It had a whatever little trees and thing it had here. Right, so it continue like this, you know she gonna cross the bridge in a while. So let's check it out.